My people, it's time to wake all the way up. Folks out here reheating somebody else's doctrines, serving them up like it's truth straight from the Most High, but it ain't. They ain't getting no word from the mouth of the Most High. They just recycling what they heard on another page, from another camp, or from another confused teacher. But the high priest ain't mixin' no stew. He said it bold. They feedin' y'all leftovers. This teaching gon' test if you caught what he said, and if you know the difference between the Most High's voice and a warmed up lie. Let's go, Israel.